Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about rules for writing HTML codes. Tags and attribute names are not case sensitive, so within angle bracket head and within angle bracket head have the same meaning. However, using lowercase is recommended. Container tag should always be closed because an unclosed tag can be led to undesired result. Values given to the attribute should be enclosed within quotes, especially if the value contains any blank space. Attribute values can be case sensitive when the tag are embedded, that is when you start a tag within another tag, you need to close the inner tag before closing the outer tag. Tag names should not contain spaces. There should be no space between inner tag, that is in angle bracket name of the tag and angle bracket closed. For example, writing P within angle bracket, P stands for paragraph, as within angle bracket P is incorrect. HTML document structure. The general structure of an HTML document has two sections, head and body section. Head section. The head section provides general information about the documents like the title, defined title for the page on the browser title bar. Body section. The body section contains the text that gets displayed on the web page along with the other tags and attributes. It includes text, graphics, and other HTML elements that provide control and formatting to a page like fonts, paragraph, list, and other elements. Let us discuss the basic structure of an HTML document. The HTML document starts with within angle bracket HTML tag and end with within angle bracket slash HTML tag. Everything is written within these tags. If the commands are not enclosed within the tags, then a web browser will assume the commands as text. The within angle bracket head tag is the HTML document header. It lies just below the within angle bracket HTML tag. It contains information that is important about the web page, but you cannot see it in the browser window. The within angle bracket head contains no text within itself. The within angle bracket title tag is to be given within the in angle bracket title tag. It contains the title of the document, the title displayed on the title bar at the top of the browser window and not inside the window itself. The title should be short and includes less than 64 characters. The body within angle bracket body tag contains the contents of your document which get displayed on the web page in your browser window. In within angle bracket body tag, we use a number of formatting elements, images, heading, list, and hypertext link to enhance the appearance of a web page. There are two basic categories of HTML elements used in the body tag: block level elements, text level elements. The block level elements take up the full width available and by default beings on a new line. These elements include tags like paragraph within angle bracket P. The text label elements are used to mark up bits of text. They do not start on a new line and only take up as much width as necessary. These include tags like bold within angle bracket B, italic within angle bracket I. See the image. Formatting elements. Heading. This tag is used to define a different heading labels in an HTML document. It is basically used to emphasize the text. There are 6 heading labels H1 to H6. The H1 heading styles display the text in the largest size and it is mainly used to main headings. The lower labels are used for subheadings and less important things. It is not essential to use their heading labels in hierarchy. These heading tags are written within the within angle bracket body tag of the document. See the code. Paragraph. To display a long piece of text on a web browser, paragraph elements within angle bracket P is used, which marks a block of text as paragraph. To mark the end of the paragraph within slash P, element angle bracket element is used. When you start another paragraph, the web browser will leave one line between the two paragraphs. Line break elements. Line break elements split the line and displays the text on a new line. It is like an enter key on the keyboard which takes the cursor on the next line towards the left margin on the screen. Line breaks are good for ending lines after a short piece of information such as address. You can introduce a line break into your HTML document with the best of the in within angle bracket BR stands for break tag. This element has no end tag. Horizontal rule, it is used as separated between the blocks of text, the within angle bracket H, that is horizontal rule HR. Element draws a horizontal lines across the web page. It is an empty element and has no end tag. Type within angle bracket HR, that is horizontal rule, where you want to insert a horizontal line in between the text. Thank you.